Welcome back, YouTube. In this episode, we're going to be doing an update of Daisy's Jeep from the Dukes of Hazzard. Here we have a look at the chassis. I started fitting the components. One thing about this kit, it might not be completely accurate to the TV show as far as being a CJ5, and what was used on the TV show was a CJ7, but it is a good kit, and the parts fit pretty good. Not a lot of room for error, a lot of small little detailed parts, but everything so far is fitting together perfectly. I couldn't ask for better. Here we have a look at the Willys 4-cylinder engine. I went ahead and I put the base coat on the seats. I use almond sand color, and then I'll go over that with some craft paint and give it a textured appearance to resemble the leather. And here's a look at that real quick. We'll show more later on. Here's the chassis as I start detailing it. I went ahead and put the wheels in place. I just stuck them on the axles, front and rear, so I could see how everything was going together. As I said earlier, everything fits really well, and I'm just placing the body down on the chassis to see how she sits. I'm pleased. Good little kit. And for the TV show and the movie car, it'll be a faithful recreation. Not perfect. None of my models ever are. There's always something when I'm done, I could have looked at and said, hey, I wish I did that better. But it's okay. Yeah, that's all the fun of modeling. It's not a job. It's just a hobby, and the hobby I enjoy. Look again at that chassis. I took the chrome rims and I painted them with 2 coats of gold, and then I took a sienna craft paint color and kind of gave it that Dukes of Hazzard clay country road feel to the wheels themselves. Just an overall view how everything's going as I started detailing the chassis. Another look at those wheels. So I started fitting some interior pieces. Yeah, the roll bar. I wish I did a little better research. I might have changed the support pieces for the roll bar. Yeah, these are curved, straight box stock, and on the TV show they were more at a 45-degree angle. I took my black Sharpie and went around the window to resemble the rubber molding. Here I installed the emergency brake handle and the clutch and the brake pedal. Losing my train of thought there. Here I'm fitting the air cleaner in place. It was kind of hard to get everything to sit just right. Painting the wheel backs. Tailgate installed. And here's my aftermarket decals. So thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next update. Have a safe and blessed day. This is Steven, the Scale Model Car Chief.